funny, Father, isn't it?
Fun indeed. It's the magician's cheap trick.
That was a real frog, Your Majesty.
Of course it's a real frog.
You are not mad, are you?
Of course, Father. How can I be mad? I'm not mad. So am I mad?
Oh, you're not mad. But it's very convincing. Why are you looking at me like that?
Huh?
Why are you looking at me like that?
Well, I don't know. You tell me why I'm looking at you like that. What do you know why I'm looking at you like that? You know, I really didn't like that guy.
You ain't cool, man.
We're going to use it for soup. We're going to use it for soup.
Ikoku!
What? You're very stupid, Father. I'm going to clean the bed for come. Hold it. That is the key! Hold it!
Hold it! Ikoku, hold it!
Do this question! I'm trying to chew with you, Your Highness! Father, I want to show you. Hold it! Give me your finger! I'll take you to the garden! I'll give you a chance before the garden!
My son, what has gone over you? Come, finished. My son, my throne. My beloved son. The heir to my throne. The only blood in my line.
We must not lose hope yet, Your Majesty.
Did you say hope? How can I hope against hope? Anger. See what it has cost him. Huh? If only we control what we say, we won't get angry.
The messenger said that if a stranger love and care for him and show him affection, he will recover.
Who will love the mad prince? Who?
I advise we move him from this land first. The people cannot see this. We must move him to a distant land. Otherwise, the prince will die.
No! Ikoke said no. My son can't die.
Then it is wise we move him. We must act expeditiously. I fear the prince will die.
Look at me. Now you have to move him to another land immediately.
You deserve every minute of what is happening.
Guards!
Ikoku! To be or not to be?
Mark this land carefully. Okay? We shall keep him here. If what the messenger of God of anger is entering to go by, he might find true love. Love that will set him free. You, stay with him at all times. Cater to his every need.
Yes, sir.
Keep him safe. We're done here. This morning, Your Majesty. Could have been here earlier. There's been raining cats and dogs outside.
So how was he?
I fear he's still mad, Your Majesty.
But how come I'm not the one that was struck with this madness? Why my son? Huh?
It is the will of the God of thunder. He toys with you. He is toying with you, Your Majesty. Well, I have a suggestion as to how we can bring love and affection to the prince.
Please tell me.
We shall find a young maiden and we shall spoil her.
What would that achieve?
Everything. It will achieve everything. Once she gets accustomed to royalty, to luxury, she'll be ready to do anything to maintain the status quo. Especially if she perceives she is to be the next queen of this land.
Yes.
Then we take her to the prince. She will give him all the love and affection he needs to bring him around again.
Do you think that will succeed?
With every measure of humility, Your Majesty. Have you ever doubted my abilities?
No, not at all. It's just that I am disturbed. I want anything that can be done to restore my son's sanity. Remember, he's the heir apparent to the throne.
I give him my word, Your Majesty. To be done, the prince will be whole again.
Okay, let's give it a try.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Well, thank you for your efforts.
It is my duty, Your Majesty.
Stop. See this fine madman. How come? When I finish doing my house,
You have come?
Yeah, Auntie, good morning.
Good morning.
Auntie, did you write the letter?
Yes, I did. Let me bring it.
Okay.
Oh. Please give it to her.
I shall will.
Thank you.
On my way to this place, I saw a madman. I think he's new in town.
Who knows what he did? Maybe he brought the curse on himself. Please greet my daughter Edna for me and get it.
I shall will.
How long will you stay this time?
Auntie, I'm not coming back to this time if I don't get a job.
You will get a job.
I will stay there as long as I can, so far as I get a job.
Don't worry, you'll get a job.
Okay.
Eh? Safe journey.
Bye-bye, Auntie.
Be careful though.
I sure will.
Hey.
Princess! Save me! Save my soul, please!
Who are you?
I am a mad nobody. Just
Save my soul.
How? How can I save your soul?
come. Come, I'll show you.
I should come?
I need to whisper it.
Whisper?
Yes. Come down. Princess. Save me. You're beautiful.
Jesus. What kind of a dream was that? Jesus. Jesus. I think it is going to kill me. God, I forgot. Oh my God.
Edna! 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 Go. You're just waking up. Eh?
I slept late. I was watching you.
Don't interrupt me this morning, Edna. Go. Do you know that you are a big fool? I work myself to death to give you the life that your poor child mother in the village could not afford you. What do you pay me with? Listen. Hey! Don't even try. Don't give excuses for yourself. Are you sure you're okay? Must you always make my day sad? Must you I'm asking you? Idiot. If you know what is good for you, tidy this house and make it look like a better place than it used to be before you came here. If not, if I come back here, you know me better than this useless girl who's sleeping. Gapa.
Edna, how you doing? I'm fine. Good. How's sister?
She's fine.
What's wrong? I don't make a face. What's happening? Is everything alright?
It's not Nkechi.
What is it? Sit down. Tell me about it. What chances?
I don't know. But nothing I do seems to be right before her. She complains about everything I do. And I don't know why.
See, Edna, I want to get something straight here. Give me details. What happened? As in, what did she do to you, or what did you do to her?
Nothing. She seems to be dissatisfied with everything I do. Nothing I do satisfies her. I don't understand.
Well, it's okay. I'm here, okay? I'll talk to her when she comes back, alright?
Let me take your bag aside.
Alright. Very good. Thank you very much.
So, you believed all that she told you?
No, sister, I saw sincerity in that girl. She is our cousin.
Charles, Edna is a very stubborn girl. And she needs an iron hand to bend her.
Don't forget, she's a big girl. And she needs to be treated as such.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's forget Edna and her problems for now. How long are you going to stay with us?
Well, for now I don't know, because I need to submit my CV at some companies and I'll stay and wait for their feedback.
That's okay. Edna!
Auntie?
Come and buy a drink for my brother.
You know my brand now.
What?
Yeah, I don't take salt anymore.
Where? In this house?
I'm a big boy.
Not for your life, you know that. You'll be your big boy when you go out, not here.
Okay.
Be fast like that. So...
I told you, this girl is such a nice girl.
How is the village? How is auntie, mother and everybody? Let's go.
I'm fine. I'm okay. Oh, you're back.
Come here. Come on! You see why I always spit and curse you?
It's okay, sister.
Yeah?
It's alright. It's okay. I'm sorry. It's okay.
You don't know how to make money, let alone know how to buy things. Get out of my sight!
See, what you just did now is uncalled for. It's a simple mistake, and you can see it was intentional.
As you can see, I don't have your time now, neither do I have hers. If you want, take your drink. If you don't want, don't. Mr. Intentional. If you want, excuse me.
Why are you crying? What's the problem?
I don't know what I did to Auntie Nkechi. She hates me so much.
Come on, don't talk like that. Nobody hates you. Huh? In fact, even if the whole world hates you, I don't hate you. And that is why I'm here to protect you. Okay? I'll be there for you. Alright? Stop crying. Wipe your tears. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright, okay? It's alright. Stop crying. Come on. Sorry. Stop. Oh, Eddie.
Uncle Kat.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you're washing?
Yes.
You're washing all these clothes alone.
Yes.
So when do you have time to do your studies?
When I finish, I'll reach my job.
I'll help you with your studies, okay?
Thank you.
Well, Eddie, on my way back, I bought you some things. I bought you plantain chips and fine orange.
Because I cannot accept it. Auntie says if I begin to eat things like this, I'll begin to steal and I might grow wings.
What's that supposed to mean? Every other person take it, every kid take it. What's that supposed to mean?
He started with Uncle Mike. Come in. Auntie. Welcome. Thank you. Oh, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Oh. Oh, Edna, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Michael, meet my cousin, Edna.
What do you mean, sir?
She's waiting to write a job.
I see.
Let me go and check the piano.
Is she not too big to be writing jam?
Don't mind her looks. Her looks is deceptive. She's only 20.
Even at that, she'll be in her third or final year.
Well, she's been staying in the village before. She just came in 2 months ago to stay with me.
I see.
Well, you are here to know my house, not to talk about my sweet cousin. So what do I have for you?
I start with you.
Well, I don't have one at home, but Edna will go and buy. Edna! Edna! Go and buy a bottle of stock, I guess. Let me see.
Okay, sir.
You now know my house.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Tell your cousin I'm here.
She's not around, but she said you should wait for her, that she'll soon be back.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You can go up and wait. Let me go and buy bread.
Why not to come up and keep me company?
No, sir. My auntie might not like that.
She won't mind. Just come up and keep me company.
I'm supposed to buy bread first. Let me buy it and come back.
You want to go to the university?
Yes.
When you get the admission, you just let me know so I'll give you some money.
No, my auntie's going to pay my school fees. Is that so?
No, I know. Are you going to be your auntie's friend? Can she take care of you? Besides, you look big, but you're a small girl.
I'm not a small girl. I'm a big girl. I'm going to be 21 this year.
Come, let me see how tall you are.
Okay. Wait, no, stop. No, wait. No. Wait. No, I'm not small. No.
Edna! Hey. What the hell is going on?
I was going to buy bread before he came.
Hey, Michael. What is going on here?
I'll just ask you that if you...
What I saw now, is it an imaginary thing or what I am feeling? You were asking her if I was around. So this is how you came to marry me, the so-called marriage thing that you're talking about. Oh, but thank God, I saw it coming. Now, get out of this compound. Are you still standing there? Leave! I said out!
Auntie, I was...
Out! Shh! I saw you. Wait. Now, out of this compound. Out! I said leave!
That's nonsense. It wasn't your fault. How could she possibly blame me for something that wasn't your fault? Oh, come on, baby. I bought this for you, okay? You take it. Have it now. Have it. Take it. It's good for your health. Alright. Enjoy yourself, okay?
Good morning,
Yeah, good morning. How are you doing?
Fine. Your food is on the table.
Yeah, I saw it. But I didn't see your own there.
Mine is in the kitchen. I'll eat there.
Why?
Auntie Nkechi said I must never eat on the dining table.
Oh, come on. Oh, forget about my sister. You see, these few days that she won't be around, you've got to exercise your freedom in this house, okay? Huh. So it's your freedom.
Why are you looking at me like that?
What was I? I'm just trying to, admire a wonderful creature of God, which you are,
Thank you.
You don't need to thank me. Come on, you don't need to. In fact, wait until you enter university. You start fixing uniforms, wearing all those skimpy, clothes and skirts and all that. That's when you begin to understand and appreciate how beautiful you are, because then will be like, they will fall in line. Hello.
But I won't have money to do all that.
Why am I striving to get a job? Because if I get a job, I'll be paid well. And when I'm paid well, trust me, I'll provide you with all those things. I'll buy them for you.
That means I'll start praying for you.
You need that prayers, honestly. And you need to study hard so you can pass your job and get admission.
Thank you. I'm happy you're living with us. You're nice.
Maybe because you're a nice person too. You're a good girl and you're a wonderful person. I mean, you're a special person, Come over to dining and we'll go eat together. See, I'm going to teach you some table manners, some etiquette, like a fucking knife, how to handle. I know you're not used to cutleries. Just come over there, okay? I'm waiting there. Okay. Get the questions I'm going to ask you now correctly. You see this biscuit, do you like it? Okay, I'm not going to give you unless you get the answer correctly.
Okay.
You earn yourself 1 biscuit.
Okay. 2.
1. Okay, I'll give you 2. Don't worry, I'll give you 2. I'll give you 2. It's okay. Who was the first president of Nigeria? You are correct, baby. You're correct. Take. Okay. The second question. Name 4 major cities in Nigeria.
Lagos. Kano. Ibadan. Lagos, Kano, Ibadan, Onitsha.
You are very, very intelligent girl. Very intelligent.
The biscuit.
Okay, that's true. Name the 3 major ethnic groups in Nigeria.
That's the easiest.
Excuse me?
Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba.
Oh Jesus, I wouldn't have. See, you are very, very intelligent. That's bravo. That's good. Okay? Which one do you want, biscuit or juice?
Me too.
Go, see your mouth. I think. And the juice. I said a seal.
Aye.
What is it?
There's something in my back when you touch me.
How do you mean?
Aye.
Like this?
Aye.
You're feeling something, right? Like chemistry or something. No, you don't understand. With time, you'll get to understand. So, yeah, the next question is, don't be scared of me. I'm your uncle. Come on, relax. Hey. Next question.
Let me please.
Huh? You want to?
Yes.
You're sleeping. So big. No, don't worry. I have come to make you happy. Chance. Chance will make you happy. Yeah? Baby. Let me teach you. Open it this thing now. Let me be seeing. We'll start by opening. Jesus. Hi!
My one and only beloved son, heir to my throne.
Ikoku, father, my favorite cousin. How are you?
Very well, Your Highness.
Sit down.
You're most gracious, Your Highness. So, with Your Highness' permission, the expeditiousness of this situation cannot be overemphasized, Your Highness. As they say, we must call a meeting of all the elders. We'll sit with them on a round table.
You cursed thing!
If I may, Your Highness, that appears to be the mark of the god of anger.
Curse to the god of anger, and you for giving me water with insect to drink. Your head will be chopped off. God!
Your Highness, I'm sorry.
Take it away.
Too close. Your Highness, sorry. Your Highness, please. Your Highness. People, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Take it away.
I'm sorry.
Father, that was a harsh decision you took on that maid.
My beloved son, one day you will be made king. And if you're not firm over small matters, then great matters will swallow you.
But Father, to be behead because of a fly?
Hi, Coco.
My king.
Yes.
My prince.
How is the community water project going?
It's going quite well, Your Majesty.
I hope you know we are commissioned next week.
You have no cause to fear. We'll be there long before schedule.
Your Highness, you have a visitor.
From where?
He wouldn't say, Your Highness. He said it concerns the future of the throne.
I will advise you soon, Your Majesty.
Ikoko, go and show the visitors. Who are you?
A messenger from the God of Anger.
What brings you here?
Your sin. Because the God of Anger thereby brought me here to curse you.
What rubbish are you talking about? Huh? I am king! And I can curse whoever I want to curse. And my beloved son here, when he becomes king, he also can curse anybody.
Pride. 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 And from this moment, your son will be struck with madness. He must leave this kingdom to another kingdom. And only affection and love from a stranger will set him free.
And you think I will sit down here and listen to you talk this nonsense in my palace? God!
Yes, Your Highness.
Behead him!
Only affection and love from a stranger will set him free. He must leave this kingdom immediately, or else he dies.
Oh no! 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 No!
Eddie. What are you eating this morning?
I don't know.
Eh?
I said I don't know.
See, the fact that we relate well in the night is not a guarantee for you to insult me. I'm your elder. What are we eating this morning?
I don't know. There's no food.
Okay, if you don't know, that means there's no food in the house. I will start by eating you.
No! 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 No!
Open this.
No!
Let's get
Let it go!
You're back. Yeah, I'm fine. How are the people in the village?
Everybody's fine. Yeah. So how is Edna?
She's upstairs.
Okay. Edna!
I don't know what's wrong with that girl. I mean, for some time she has been acting funny.
Did you do anything to her?
Why would I do? No, nothing. Why would I do anything to her? Nothing.
Okay, let's go find out. Edna! 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 Come, did you hear my voice? And what the hell are you doing?
I'm packing my things.
For what?
I'm going back to the village.
Oh my God. Are you out of your senses or something? You want to go back to the village to trouble your poor mother?
It's better than staying here.
But you know me too well. You are not going anywhere. Now, go to the parlor and unpack the things I came back with. And I mean now! Rubbish. I want to go. Let me wait for you. You know me now. Edna! Edna!
Auntie?
Take this money. Somebody is coming to fill the water tank later in the day. Pay him and keep my balance for you. The soup in the pot is for you and Charles. We should manage it. Okay? I'm off to the shop. Take care of the house.
Edna. Edna. Baby. I'm home.
hope this stupid girl did not live with my boy. I don't care whether she went back to the village or not. That is not my business. Hello? Yes. Speaking. He's my brother. Where? How? Jesus. Where? Hey.
God, this is the madman I've been seeing in my dreams.
Is that you? Good evening. She just left yesterday. What is the problem?
I can't stay with them anymore.
Them? Please come and talk to your mom. Come and tell me what the problem is.
That's how it happened.
Oh, I'm finished. I am finished. What did you say Charles did to you? Your own cousin. Who else have you told?
No one else.
Please, we'll keep it this way. Nobody should hear this. This is an abomination. Let me see Charles. I'll kill him personally. Don't worry. Tomorrow I will take you to the village clinic for medical checkup. And as long as I live, you will not leave my side again to go and stay with anybody. Never. Oh, cousin. By the way, have you taken the jam?
I'll write it next month.
Don't worry, you will write the jam from here. You go from here to write it. What sort of abomination is this? Your own cousin. Is it because of our poverty?
Mama, stop.
Because of money. Just your own cousin. How big a warrow? It's an abomination.
Oh, it's okay.
Your own brother, your own relation.
Welcome, Mama.
Edna. Thank you, Mama. You are not busy. The doctor says you are okay.
Hey, thank God.
I thank God.
Hey, Mama, thank God.
Edna. So you're here.
Where do you want her to be? Where do you want her to be? So you took my daughter to the city to useless her life, Ewa?
What did she tell you? Edna.
Nothing good about you or her stay with you. By the way, where is Charles, your brother?
Charles had an accident. Please go.
Huh?
Charles is dead. Hell. Charles dead? He's dead. Hey. He says found him out. He says found him out. Nkechi, do you know that right under your roof, Charles was sleeping with my daughter? It's a lie. And Natalie, it's not true. How would you know, Nkechi? Did you make this up, Edna? Oh my God. How would you know? When you were busy maltreating her. Treating her like a slave, my own daughter. But it's over. It's over. As of Charles, my Bible says that the wages of sin is death. Serves him right.
Mama.
Yes, my dear.
I've been meaning to ask. The madman that's along the road, who is he?
Edna, I don't know. He appeared there one morning. Rumors have it that a certain man always comes there to feed him.
Mama.
Yes, my dear.
While I was living at Nkechi's house, I always see that madman in my dream.
Hey.
Yes.
The madman in your dream?
Yes, Mama. He always appeared in my dream, crying and asking me to save him, to help him. So on my way home, when I saw him there, I was shocked. I was shocked because that is the exact position I always see him in my dream.
Hey, sounds strange.
Very strange, Mama.
A madman in your dream?
But I'm certain he is the madman I saw in my dream all the time.
This is strange. Very strange.
see you in my dreams. I think you're trying to tell me something. What could it be? How could I possibly help you? I'm just a poor girl living with my mother. I know somebody gave birth to you. I know this madness is not your fault. I guess. Maybe that's why I see you in my dreams.
You have started?
Yes, but there is no oil to cook the yam with.
What do we do? Eh? I don't have any money on me. The only money we had, I spent it on your medical test.
We're going to have to eat only white yam.
Eat only white yam?
We won't steal, Mama. Would we?
Okay, just boil the yam. Let me get oil from her days. Oh.
Mama, what happened to our palm trees?
The palm trees are there. They are not yet ripe. Just cook the yam. Let me go and borrow oil. Huh? Oh no. Don't worry. Come here. I know you used to eat better meals at the city.
Mama, didn't the Bible say it is better for one to go to where you're loved and eat vegetable than to eat abundant meat where you're not loved? This is my home and I'm proud of it.
But Edna, how are you going to go to the university? You need money to pay for the school fees.
The God that has been taking care of us ever since Papa and Kelechi died will certainly come to our aid. I trust that. If only Kelechi and your father is alive, we won't be going through this house.
Mama, please. Don't be sad. Look at me. I promise. I promise you, Mama, I'm going to make you really proud. I'll wipe poverty away from this family. I promise. Please eat. Eat, Mama. I brought you food. I brought you food because I saw you in my dream again. You said you were hungry. That's why I brought you food. You want to eat, right? Right? Your eyes is filled with so much sadness. I wish you could talk to me. I wish you could tell me how to help you. I'm a sad girl too, you know. I have no one. No one to stand for me. No one to pay my school fees. None that I know of. Except my mother. Except my mother. Except my mother.
look at weeds everywhere. Eh? How do I start weeding the whole place? Hey.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my daughter. How's your mother?
She's very fine. You were saying something about the weeds.
Yes, my daughter. The weeds are quite much. And I don't have an atom of strength to weed them.
Not to worry, ma. I can help you with them.
Can you?
Yes, ma.
Hey, I was even thinking to employ somebody to do the weedings.
Oh no.
Where can you start?
Tomorrow. I'll start Coco.
Okay. You come over to my house and collect two.
Don't worry, ma. We have 2 holes in my house. I'll use one.
That's kind of you.
Thank you, ma.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm waiting for you tomorrow. Huh? Hey! God always remember his people. Eh? Look at the humble girl rescuing me. Okay. Anybody home?
Oh, good morning, Auntie.
Good morning, my daughter. How are you?
Fine, thank you, ma.
Come. You did a very wonderful job on my farm.
Thank you, ma.
That's good of you.
Thank you, ma.
Have this.
No, ma.
I still have it from the bottom of my heart. Take it.
Thank you, ma. Thank you very much.
Adako, I heard your voice.
Yes, Cecilia. Your daughter weeded my farm, and I came to show appreciation.
How are you?
I'm fine. Only that I need a house help. The one I had ran away last month.
And you haven't found another person?
No, I haven't. Nobody wants to do that type of work again.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ma.
I beg to take my leave, huh? So have a nice day.
My regards to your husband.
Bye-bye.
2,000 naira.
Why did you do it?
We need to survive. That's why I did it.
It shall be well with you, man.
Amen.
Whatever you do in life, my blessing will follow you.
Amen.
Let me go to the market with this money to buy some foodstuffs.
Thank you, Mama. Mama.
Thank you.
Good morning, Ma. Good morning, sir.
You're welcome. How are you?
Fine, thank you, Ma.
Whose voice am I hearing?
The daughter of late Manzobika.
Oh, my daughter. You are welcome.
Good morning, sir.
My daughter, how may I help you?
Oh, there's no problem, Ma. Yesterday you said you didn't have a house help and you needed a hand. So I came to see if there's anything I can do for you.
That's thoughtful of you. We need water. At the same time, clothes to be washed.
No problem, Ma. Let me start with the water first. Where's the bucket?
You go inside. Take your left. Huh? You'll see bucket there.
Okay, Ma. Thank you.
Good. Hey, man, she's cleaning.
God bless you, my daughter.
You're going.
It's for the clothes.
The clothes.
Yes, Ma.
Come and rest. Oh, rest a while before washing.
No, Ma. I'm okay. I'm young and strong. I can wash the clothes before I go home.
Okay. If you insist, let me get it for you.
Okay. Is this all? Just wash out. Okay. Thank you, Ma. Let me bring the other one. Okay. Thank you, Ma. I'm sure, Ma.
You are true.
Yes, Ma.
It's okay.
Yes, Ma. I want to go and prepare lunch. Thank you, Ma.
My regards to your mom.
Yes,
Huh?
Ma.
God
Bye-bye,
bless
sir.
you.
Bye-bye.
That's the voice of the daughter of the late Maze Obika.
Yes, sir.
How are you, my daughter?
I'm fine, sir.
How is your mother?
She went to the market.
Does she still sell vegetables at the market?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I remember those days when we were young. I used to hunt lizards with your late father. Ms. Obika.
My husband. She says she wants to clean all the dirty utensils in the kitchen.
That's okay. Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Thank you.
Yes. Give it to her. She's been good.
I'm true, ma'am.
You are true?
Yes, ma'am.
So big.
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, my daughter.
No problem, sir. I should take my leave now. Okay, sir.
My daughter, take this. It's just a token. Have it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Edna,
Sir,
continue to be a good girl.
I promise, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Greet your mother for me.
Sir, yeah, I will. Thank you, ma'am.
I've never seen such a humble and hard-working girl.
The girl is too good. I wish I can see her with my eyes.
Nah, don't worry. It will be alright. Hmm?
Edna!
Mama, what's the problem? Why are you looking so sad?
Edna, do you know that I was unable to sell anything today?
Why?
Look at the vegetables, they are decaying. I wonder where I'm going to get the money to pay my supplier. You know that I buy on credit and pay after sales. Where am I going to get the money now?
How much are you owing them?
750.
What is it?
Where did you get this kind of money?
Your dad gave it to me for cleaning her house, washing clothes, and washing all the plates in the house.
Edna, may I live to see your children? God bless you. I'm working. I'm working here. God bless you. What could I have done without you?
Stop crying. Now you have money.
Thank you, my mother.
So what are we going to do with all this?
You can throw it away. God bless you.
Amen.
What could I have done without my daughter? This is Mama. God bless you. Yeah? Hey. Snakey. I'm so happy today. My daughter, business was very good today. Thank God. That money you brought helped me to buy fresh vegetables. So I have profit. Too much money. Nothing is too much for you. You like this one? Nothing. I bought clothes for you.
You bought me clothes.
You like it?
I like it very much.
I sold everything. Can't you see the tray is empty? It's for you.
The best mother in the world.
You're a good girl. So that's why I have to buy it. I can't go today. I sold everything. So I have to buy something because
Hey! Mama, thank you.
It's okay.
Let me get these things inside and try them.
It's okay.
Hey.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you. You want water to drink?
Yes. Thank you. God. Thank you, Lord. I want my daughter to be happy like this always. And I want to be happy too. Good business. Thank you, Lord.
Please, excuse me, young lady. Good morning. My name is Ikoku. I am the chief advisor to the king.
Oh, I didn't know.
Oh,
Sorry.
of course you didn't. It's not written on our foreheads. What is your name?
My name is Ama.
Beautiful name. And who is your father?
Arika, the farmer.
Where is your father at this moment?
He's gone to the farm.
Where is your farm?
If you go this way, go down there.
Oh, wonderful. To the left, huh?
Yes.
Good. I shall go and find your father.
Okay. May I go now?
Oh, of course, my lady. Have a most pleasant day.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Beautiful.
Are you serious?
Of course. I want to train her to be the next queen of this land.
But why us? Why the poor family of Arika, the farmer?
Even cats may look at the king. How much more humans? What can I say? The gods choose whom to lift. It is not my choice.
In that case, I will discuss it with my family. Of
course. Let me let you enjoy your manual labor.
Bye bye, yo.
Madman! Madman! Madman!
Boy, what do you think you are doing here? Huh? Go get out from us! Get out! Come on! Get out! Go!
I am so confused. I mean, should we rejoice or should we cry at what you just told us?
I don't know, but maybe that is how the gods want to lift us up.
Papa, you saw me when I was going on an errand for mother this morning.
Ada, I think he liked what he saw. As a king's advisor and from what he said, you look perfect from what they want in a wife for the prince.
But they hardly know me. They don't even know my character.
Don't mind my daughter. They will train you in the ways of the king. They will train you.
Yeah. I have mixed feelings about this whole thing, my daughter. Who knows? If that's maybe the gods have chosen to wipe out our poverty. So, you advise I should go? I have no option, my daughter. The king wants you for the son. Though, my only reason for agreeing is that they want to train you. That's all. You can always come back to us if you're not comfortable with the whole arrangements. Who won't be comfortable in the king's palace? Everybody will. Amarachi! Hey!
Your Majesty.
Your Highness.
May I present King Mazuzu I of Mazuzu Kingdom. Behold, choosing one for the prince.
Understood. But how come she's appearing so plain?
That can be explained, Your Majesty. She came straight from her father's home to the palace.
And who is her father?
Arika the farmer.
Oh, the cat may look at the king. Young lady, you're welcome.
Thank you.
But make sure that the next time she's appearing before me, she looks more royal.
Very well, Your Majesty. Young lady, apparently you have found favor before my king.
Thank you, Your Highness.
This is a good thing. This way, please. I'd like to introduce you to Amma. She is the future queen of our land, the new bride for the prince. This is the chief lady. Her name is Suloma. She's explicitly groomed and trained in the art of cooking, of grooming, and taking care of the palace. You will be her new charge. She will teach you how to walk, speak, and look like a princess. Let me have a word with you. Excuse me, my dear. My dear, I cannot overemphasize the importance of the situation. The king stated that there should be utmost secrecy. If anybody wants to know about the whereabouts of the prince, simply tell them that he's been taken to a distant land for grooming to be king. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, in the event this pact is violated or jeopardized in any form, I'm sure you understand the repercussions.
Yes, sir. The person's head will be chopped off.
I'm glad you know that. Now, we don't want to lose your pretty head very soon, do we?
No, sir.
Then we understand each other.
Yes.
Come. My dear, you will go with her. Turn her into a princess of the land.
Evil. Evil. Have you finished polishing the beads I gave you?
No. I wanted to take a little nap.
Will you get up and go and do the work I assigned to you?
Who's this?
The prince's bride-to-be.
Can't be serious.
It's the king's choice. And we have work to do.
You're welcome. I'm Evil.
My name is Amma.
Did you hear what I said? She will be the next queen.
You're welcome. Excuse me.
This is the maid's quarters. For now, only Evil and I are here.
Where are the rest?
Beheaded by the king's orders.
I thought it were all rumors.
No, they're not. Ever since the queen died, the king has been a bit temperamental. Your regalia will be here in a few days. And we need to fix your hair very fast. Come, let me take you to your room. This will be your room.
I can't believe my good fortune.
Your position is every girl's dream.
Tell me, what do you think I need to deserve all this?
Destiny.
Wishes of the gods. Let me get you some clean clothes while you fix your regalia. You'll be taught how to carry yourself in the presence of the king and the prince.
When I get to meet the prince?
Not now. Besides, he's not in the palace for now.
So where is he?
Somewhere secret, where he's being taught to be a king.
That sounds strange.
I'm teaching you how to be a princess.
Okay, because I was up on his royalhood and the prince...
Do not ask too many questions. Okay. Let me get you some clean clothes. Rest your bones.
Okay.
I must tell you, some of these areas are out of bounds to some of us. But as a princess to the Prince of Waiting, I will verify if you're allowed to visit some of these areas. Okay. Let me take you to the next one.
How's Amma coping?
She's doing great, sir.
I'm sure you still recall the whole essence of this exercise, eh?
Yes, sir. The prince becomes well if she loves and appreciates him.
I will see to it that you are adequately rewarded from the king himself.
How far have you gone with your arrangement?
We're in advanced stages now, Your Majesty. We're preparing her mentally as well as physically.
Any news yet about my son?
I'm afraid the prince is still mad.
Honestly, whatever can be done to restore his sanity, please do it fast.
Everything that's supposed to be done, it's been done. She'll be ready soon, and we'll take her to meet him. She'll give him all the love and affection he requires, and the spell will be broken. I give you my word, the prince will be whole again.
Is there no picture of the prince in this palace? Because I've not seen one anywhere.
Why do you want to see a picture of the prince?
To know whom I'm being prepared for. I mean, is it tall, short, or crippled?
What will that change?
A lot. It will change a lot. I would have a picture of him in my mind while I wait to meet him.
You don't need it for now.
I insist, as a prince's wife to be, I want a picture of him. Is that right?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good.
My prince, I brought something for you.
You requested for something, Amma.
What?
The prince's picture. Here it is.
Thank you so much. See you later.
What was that for? Did you have to bring the pictures to her now?
She requested for it and she needs to know what the prince looks like.
Oh, what the prince looks like!
Caution, evil, or you will have your head chopped off by the king's order.
Come here, my love. Do you love me? Then look into my eyes and tell me that you love me. You are my world. My love, I have been waiting for you.
What are you dreaming about?
The prince, of course. He's so handsome.
So, do you think you can fall in love with him?
I've already fallen for him.
With his picture? Come
My
on.
spirit welcomed him.
Come on, don't be so sure.
I know what I feel right now. I do. Come on.
Amma, there are also people in this palace to admire you.
Like who?
I, for one.
You're fast becoming my good friend.
Thank you. So, do you like me?
Of course. You're so tender and caring. Thank you.
Thanks for saying that.
The prince is so handsome. Tell me, is he more caring and romantic like he looks?
He chops off heads like the king.
Can you say that?
Oh, well.
Oh.
He's more understanding than the king.
Yeah. He looks so loving, caring, so romantic. He looks almost perfect without blemish. You know, what I've been dreaming about my dream man. Yeah.
Ikoko, any news of the prince so far?
The prince is still mad.
So don't you think it's time to move in for the kill?
I do not think so. I think we should treat with a great deal of caution. For I know, as long as I am Ikoko, the advisor to the king, will sit on that throne.
The prince madness is a very golden opportunity we shouldn't miss.
I agree. But I still insist that we tread carefully, with caution. The king is no fool, you know. And I don't have to overemphasize the consequences of what will happen if the king discovers what we're plotting.
If you get to know that, our head will be chopped off.
I'm glad you understand the consequences, gentlemen.
So, what about the girl?
The beautiful damsel. Yes. What about her? I might at the end, my friend, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. She is going to get a shock of her life.
Ikuku, what's the plot like?
The plot is simple, really. She has all the mannerisms, all the looks of a princess, of a queen to be. I will shock her, for she will get used to royalty, embrace it. And then when pride sets in, she will find it very difficult to go back to her old background of poverty.
Exactly. Ikuku. She's for the prince.
She will get the shock of her life when she discovers the truth.
Look, don't underestimate women. She might still love him.
Patience. For it is not over yet. Hmm?
It's okay.
Let us drink.
Ikuku.
The king to be.
By and large, it must be a natural.
Why is it that we're in the same palace? And yet, I've only set my eyes on the king once.
Because he's king. Secondly, he'll call you when the time is right.
Send me my room.
She's becoming very confident.
Yeah, it's where you want to be. She's the queen to be.
That's if the prince gets back his senses.
If he doesn't, he'll become his royal madness. Let me see the queen to be.
Wind of change, blowing across the land. There's a wind of change, sweeping across the land.
Come. Sit beside me. You like me, don't you?
Yes, I do.
And you know, with all things being equal, I might be the next queen.
Yes, I know.
How long have you been into it?
Into what?
Lesbianism. Please answer me. You kissed me the other day.
Yes. I've wanted you ever since I set my eyes on you.
So, how long have you been into it?
Since I was 14. My neighbor influenced me into it.
I might have your head chopped off.
Why?
I want you around me ever. But if you dream of touching me ever again, I might have you executed. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Good. Nobody will hear about what transpired between us. Belong to the prince, and I can't wait to be with him. You can go.
There's a wind of change, blowing across the land. There's a wind of change, sweeping across the land. There's a wind of change, blowing across the land,
Ikoku, is the girl ready?
I'll go and check.
Ikoku, please. Do your best. I miss my son. Please.
Yes,
Ikoku.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You have been very loyal to me. I appreciate that.
You're my uncle, Your Majesty. Your family, I have no choice.
I must reward you very handsomely before I join my ancestors.
It's not reward I seek, Your Majesty, but to merely find favor in your eyes. You're like a father to me. You took me in when nobody would. I must go now. The prince will hold again. Your Majesty, King Mazuzu, may I present the bride-to-be for the prince?
So I'm not going to tell you properly. You need transformed into a beautiful and sophisticated girl.
Thank you, Your Highness.
I hope you understand what awaits you.
Yes, Your Highness.
Ikoku, you've done a great job. Your reward, 100 plots of land near my choicest estate, is now yours.
You're most generous, Your Majesty.
Now prepare the damsel to meet the prince.
It is time, Your Highness.
Come, we'll have it done.
Your Highness.
My prince, soon your troubles would be over. The prophecy of the god of anger would soon come true.